Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best city e-bikes for 2025. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring your city, these e-bikes offer the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and value. Stick around to find out which one is the best fit for you, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each bike. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn Discover is a well-rounded hybrid bike designed for riders who prioritize comfort and practicality. With a 19-inch aluminum frame, it's lightweight yet sturdy, suitable for riders between 5'9" and 6'1". It boasts a 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and a rear derailleur, making uphill pedaling much easier. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks for a smoother ride, while the swept-back handlebars and padded seat ensure an upright, comfortable riding position. The design of the Schwinn Discover is classic and functional. It includes fenders to keep you clean on wet roads and a rear cargo carrier for added convenience, making it great for commuters and casual city riders. The linear pull brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the adjustable city rise stem allows you to customize your handlebar position for optimum comfort. However, while it's an excellent choice for city commuting, it lacks the electric assist feature that's become essential for many urban riders. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, traditional hybrid bike with a trusted brand name, the Schwinn Discover is a solid choice. It's best for those who don't mind pedaling manually and want a reliable ride for everyday use. However, if you're after an electric bike, you may want to keep watching. Pros include its sturdy aluminum build, great handling, and rider comfort. The main downside is that it's not an e-bike, so you won't get that extra push on inclines or long rides. Coming in at number 4 is the Schwinn Wayfarer Hybrid Bike. If you're into vintage-inspired designs, this bike will catch your eye. The Schwinn Wayfarer features a retro steel frame and chrome fenders, giving it a classic, stylish look. It's designed for riders 5 feet to 6 feet tall, and comes equipped with 700C wheels, perfect for casual city rides. With its 7-speed twist shifter, the Wayfarer handles small hills efficiently, and its swept-back handlebars encourage an upright posture that's easy on your back. The design is complemented by practical features like front and rear linear pull brakes for responsive stopping power and a rear cargo rack for carrying essentials. The steel frame adds durability, but at 42 pounds, it's relatively heavy compared to other city e-bikes. While it's not an electric bike, the Wayfarer delivers a smooth and stylish ride for those who prefer a more traditional approach to city commuting. This bike is ideal for riders who value aesthetics and don't need electric assistance. It's a great choice for short commutes and recreational rides in the city. Pros include its vintage design, durable steel build, and comfortable riding position. On the downside, the Wayfarer lacks the power and speed of an e-bike and can feel heavy during extended rides. At number 3, we have the Gotrek 20-inch folding electric bike. This compact and portable e-bike is perfect for city dwellers who need a flexible commuting solution. It's powered by a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, allowing it to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode. The folding design is a major plus. Fold it up and take it on public transport or store it in tight spaces when not in use. The Gotrek e-bike features a lightweight iron frame, dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and a large LCD display that shows your speed, battery life, and pedal assist level. It also comes with a bell, LED headlight, and rear reflector for added safety during night rides. However, the 20-inch wheels may not provide the smoothest ride on rough terrain, and its max range is shorter compared to some of the other e-bikes on this list. Overall, the Gotrek is a fantastic option for commuters who need portability and convenience. It's ideal for urban riders who want an electric assist without breaking the bank. Pros include its foldable design, solid performance, and safety features. Cons include its smaller wheels and limited range for longer rides. Our runner-up is the Cybervelo 1000 Peak electric bike for adults. This all-terrain powerhouse is equipped with a 1,000-watt motor, 1,500-watt peak, and a 48-volt battery, delivering speeds of up to 25 plus miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 85 miles in pedal assist mode. Whether you're commuting, hitting the beach, or tackling steep hills, this e-bike is built to handle it all. Its 7-speed transmission and dual suspension system ensure a smooth and comfortable ride on any surface. The Cybervelo features a water-resistant LCD display that provides real-time stats like speed and battery life. It also comes with dual disc brakes and an EABS system for reliable stopping power. The build quality is excellent, with a high-carbon steel frame and puncture-resistant tires, while the bike weighs 59.5 pounds. Its powerful motor makes up for the added heft. However, the longer charging time, 8 to 9 hours, is something to consider. This bike is perfect for adventure seekers and long-distance commuters who want a high-performance e-bike. Pros include its powerful motor, long range, and all-terrain capabilities. The only downsides are its weight and extended charging time. And finally, taking the top spot is the ebike 26-inch electric bike for adults. This e-bike is the ultimate choice for riders seeking versatility, power, and advanced features. With a peak 1500-watt motor and a massive 48 volts 18 amp-hour battery, the ebike delivers a top speed of 34 miles per hour and an exceptional range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode. Whether you're commuting, exploring off-road trails, or cruising along the beach, this bike can handle it all with ease. The ebike stands out with its fat 4-inch tires, which provide superior traction on all terrains, including sand and snow. It also features dual hydraulic disc brakes, a color LCD display with app connectivity, and a rear cargo rack that can carry over 330 pounds. The adjustable suspension fork and ergonomic saddle ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Despite its robust build and advanced features, the bike arrives 95% pre-assembled, making setup a breeze. This e-bike is ideal for riders who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Pros include its powerful motor, long range, fat tires, and smart features like app connectivity and advanced braking. The only potential downside is its premium price, but for what it offers, the investment is worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful as you consider your next city e-bike purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these bikes, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.